This is JavaScript Basics. We are on Codecademy website doing the functions quiz. So let's begin. What will this code print to the console? So we've got a variable declared called sleep timer. So that's the, what do you call it? The identifier. With a parameter called alarm on a function expression. With the inside the block says console log my alarm is set for. And it's concatenating this string with this parameter here. Down the bottom, they are calling the variable here, and they are running the string 830 as the parameter, which means it will console log my alarm is set for, and this string here 830. So my alarm is set for 830. So we've got that there, we've got that last. So that'll be it there. That's good. We're off and running. Which of the following most accurately describes the volume of cube function? So we've got function, volume of cube, parameter side, return side times side to side, which is side cubed, volume of function. So they're calling it here with a 5, which will output 125. Hang on, what is it again? Which of the following most accurately describes this function? So it's kind of a, what do you call it? A function declaration. It's not a function expression, because if it was a function expression, it'll have a variable equals and then the expression. So it's not anonymous. It's a function expression, definitely not that. It's a function declaration, yep, so far I like that. It's an arrow function, it doesn't have the arrow. So I'm going to go with number 3, and good, we're off and running. What's the purpose of this parameter? Sorry, what's the purpose of a parameter? To specify actual values in a function. To allow a function to accept data, probably this one. Definitely not to call a function. No, it doesn't specify the values. It allows you to put values in, but it doesn't specify the values. But it does allow you to accept data. Good, so that's correct. What will be printed to the console? So we've got a variable called eatFruit. We've got a parameter equals assigned to Apple. It's a expression with console log. We're using template literals here, which allows us to interpolate the parameter fruit. So it's going to print this parameter is delicious, whatever the parameter is. And they're calling it down here. They've got nothing in the, when they're calling it, they've got nothing in where the parameter is. However, we've already assigned the parameter apple, so we do not need to put anything in there because it's already assigned. So it's going to say this apple is delicious, which is the top one there. Which correctly represents the most condensed form of a function? Recall the syntax, also known as concise body. So what does it want us to know? What it can tell us which one's the concise body? So we've got the variable, we've got the what it's assigned to, we've got the parameter, we've got the fat arrow. Okay, so these two here have curly braces, so they are excluded. We're left with these two here. This one has a return, so that's excluded, so it's the top one. What is wrong with the code snippet provided? So we've got constant greeting, and then we've got a function expression with no parameter. So if you've got no parameter, you need to have parentheses. If you've got one parameter, then you list whatever that parameter is. And if you've got more than one parameter, you have parentheses with the parameters inside the parentheses. So we're missing the parentheses. Function expression cannot be declared. Nope, that's nothing to do with it. The greetings function is missing a set of parentheses between the equals and the, yeah, exactly, the fat arrow. So it's this one. Which of the following is the correct way to call the function below? So we've got constant, multiplier, parameter of number, the function expression, console log 3 times number. So to call it, you write this with the the parentheses for the parameter. So it's not that, that's an array. It's not that, it's not that. Yeah, it's this one, it's this one. Which of the following is a parameter in the block of code below? Let input equal, so that's a variable, that's a variable. This is the, okay, so this is the actual where the function is. And we've got parameter number, and we've also got phrase. So we've got number and phrase as the parameters. Hang on. Where's phrase? Okay. Well, number is. It's number and phrase. Okay, well, maybe it's just asking. It's excluding phrase from here, but that's okay. Well, number is definitely one of the perimeters, so hopefully. Oh, God, yep, that's good. Okay. I was worried we're going to get to the end and then mess it up. This code prints, I ran 3 miles at an average undefined. I ran 3 miles at an average of undefined per miles. Why does the text include undefined? Okay, so we've got a variable, function expression with perimeters, console logging, I ran, string plus miles plus, and where's the undefined? It's at average time, isn't it? Yes. Workout journal. So they've called the function. They've included the string for the first perimeter. They've excluded any information for the second perimeter, which is why it's undefined. So the miles perimeter is not declared. No. Workout journal is not defined. No. To call workout journal, it's missing a second argument. Workout journal does not print values of both arguments. No, it's this one. To call the workout journal is missing a second argument. Oh, yes. Okay. Which of the following best describes what a function in JavaScript is used for? A function allows for the use of mathematical operators. A function is a reusable piece of code that can accept input and perform specific tasks. I like that one. A function stores data. Nah, doesn't really say much. It creates, no, that's not it. It's got to be this one. Yay, we're done. So that's the functions quiz for Codecademy website. Thank you very much.